Can you climb up them? Ta-da! Bigger? Do you feel really tall?
Huh?
You can like climb up to go up there. Oh. So hey, I'm Mikey. I'm with Mix and Ziva. We're gonna build a thing together. So what are we doing?
Yeah, we're gonna build some. Well, I asked Mikey if we could build some steps, like a little stool kind of thing, to help Ziva climb up and do things like brush her teeth or get things out of get snacks out of the cupboard or help out with cooking, stuff like that. We had some other wooden steps that were sort of like a kit set thing, but they weren't very well made and they just sort of exploded, which is kind of dangerous. That was roughly the depth of the first step, and then the second step is like up here.
And then how? Yeah, roughly 6.
6, yep.
How many is that? Ziva, can you count how many?
Count with me, Ziva. 1, 6, 7, 8. I think it was 9.
And yeah, we could change it so that the depth is 5, you said. So width is 9. Looks like that.
Should we double check?
Yes.
Measure twice, cut once, sort of.
Yes.
So I guess I'll do it with colours this time. So we've got 6 times 9, which is these ones.
Which will be the ones that go across the length of the steps.
You can draw it after I finish drawing. And then we've got one of these times 6 here.
Which will be the ones that go across
And
the
one
top
here.
step.
Yep. And just checking 6 9s is 54.
Yes.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a 6 left. Correct. Done.
Yeah. Okay, let's scoot.
Eyebrows?
Yeah, eyebrows.
Yeah.
Yay, look.
You can draw on the other sides.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
That doesn't have a face on me.
Not
Wow,
yet.
not yet.
No, 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 no. Hi, me, no, no.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
You got it?
Hello.
truth. Cool. Nice.
You want all the skip, Ziva? Here it is. You want to try it out?
Climb up the steps. That's what we made, Ziva. Can you climb up them?
Ta-da! Bigger? You feel really tall? You can like climb up to go up there. Oh.
Nice choice. Thanks for that, Mikey.
No problem.
Now, can we take it home?
Yes.
Now we can take it home.
Big, small, small. Can I take it?
It's interesting now that it's like, now that I can turn it around, it's like the 3D model is good, but like having built it and like touching it and stuff, you can now be like, oh, I could just move that